Hello, in this video course, we're going to talk about blocking distractions. One of the most serious time sinks is goofing around online. I, for example, find myself from time to time online, just on a wide variety of websites, doing really nothing. Maybe on WhatsApp for like an hour or two. Okay, I agree. There's really nothing wrong with visiting Facebook, with seeing how your friends are doing, but you should only do so when you're not working. When you mix goofing around, watching things with work, trust me, my friend, you won't do much. So it happened to me one day. I decided, you know what? Damn it! I am done goofing around, wasting time browsing websites online. So I looked up and I found the perfect solution to block distractions on the website online. The app is called the Cold Turkey app. This app will block all distractions. It's a real game changer. So let me show you how to use the Cold Turkey app. So first of all, go to getcoldturkey.com, click the download button, and get your free copy of the Cold Turkey app. Once it's done downloading, just double click to install. Trust, I know you know how to install an app, so I won't go into that. Now let's open the Cold Turkey app and let me show you how to set it up. Let me show you the magic of Cold Turkey. Okay, here it is. Here's the Cold Turkey app. So the first thing, once you get your Cold Turkey app, you go to blocks and add a new block of websites you want to block. So for example, I have a real trouble with car websites. From time to time I find myself just browsing car websites, being on them, not doing anything productive. Once you've opened the block, add a new block, add the websites you want to block. So for example, a car website called MotoTrend. This is a serious time sink. From time to time I find myself here viewing cars, watching how's the latest Porsche looking, how's the latest tractor looking, how's the latest Raptor looking. Well, in reality, looking at the photo of a car is never ever going to help me buy a car. What I need is to work hard, get the money, and just go and buy the car. So here's the deal. I want to block mototrend.com. Add to this list of blocked websites. Then you continue, look for other websites that you want to block, add them. Then you say save as. Then you like the name of the block. For this, for example, I'm going to call it block car websites, and I'm going to save the block. So here's our new block. So the goodness of Cold Turkey is that it gives you the ability to premeditatively decide, this is what I want to block, this is what I want to block. So we can, for example, here, so in this way it's written continuous block. If I turn it on, it will block it all the time. But now I don't want that. I want to be able to view my car websites, let's say when I'm not working. I want to be able to visit Facebook when I'm not working. So I click on the continuous block menu, and it gives you an option: continuously block this list or block this list according to the schedule. Well, I want to block this list according to the schedule. So Monday between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. that is working time. I don't want to be able to visit these websites. On other times I can, but on these other times I don't want. So you can right click on this and apply changes and copy to it across Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Monday through Friday. I don't want, this is work time, no distractions from such and such websites. And you click save. Whenever you want to visit a website you've blocked, whenever you want to visit that website, Cold Turkey blocks the website and it's saying you've quit this website, Cold Turkey. So there's literally no way for you to access this website, no matter what you do. Even if you change the time, even if you go into incognito mode, like there's nothing you can do to access this website. And that's what I love about Cold Turkey. Set the time you don't want to be distracted. Cold Turkey app is going to take your productivity to the next level. Some of the features that you're seeing here from the Cold Turkey app are only available in the pro version, like scheduling blocks, So you can use the free version. The free version is still pretty strong, but if you really want to get the full set of features, you might have to buy the full version. It only costs $39 for a lifetime. So this thing has literally saved me hours and hours and hours that I would have otherwise spent wasted. So guys, that's it about cold turkey. Thank you for listening.